Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound problem. So actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, if you have such problem, the first thing you need to do is to swipe down from the top right corner, like this, and then you need to make sure your volume bar is turned on. So you need to press and hold on that one bar and then scroll it to the up. So after that, if you still got this problem, then the next thing you need to do is to open your settings application, then scroll a little bit and then click on the Bluetooth option. Here it is. Then you need to click on the blue button info next to your connected device. Here it is. And then all you need to do is to click on the forget this device button, so it will unsync your phone from this connected device, and then you need to reconnect to its Bluetooth device, and then your problem might be fixed. But if you still got this problem, the last thing you need to do is to go to the settings again, then scroll down and find general option. Here it is. Then scroll to the button and click on the transfer or reset iPhone, then reset, and then you need to click on the reset network settings. So it will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and then your problem will be fixed. And also you can try to restart your phone by clicking on the turn off and volume up button, and then your problem will be fixed. And that's all, and that's how to fix Bluetooth connected but no sound problem. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.